Host on screen. In the grand tapestry of the 21st century, the digital realm has woven itself into every thread of our daily lives. In this age of information, the art of digital marketing has emerged, not merely as a trend, but as an essential skill for anyone seeking to thrive in the online world. So, buckle up and prepare to embark on a journey into the fascinating world of digital marketing. Host voiceover. Picture digital marketing as a vast ocean teeming with various channels, websites, social media, email, search engines, and more. Each channel offers a unique way to connect with the audience, to tell a story, to sell a product or service. The art lies in knowing how to navigate these waters to reach your target audience effectively. Host voiceover. In a world that's increasingly online, digital marketing is no longer optional. It's the lifeblood of any business, large or small. It's the key to reaching millions of potential customers, to standing out in a crowded market, and to adapting swiftly in a rapidly changing environment. Host voiceover. Now, how does one dive into this ocean? The first step is education. Equip yourself with knowledge. There are countless resources out there, from online courses to blogs, ready to demystify the world of digital marketing for you. Secondly, choose your path. Whether it's the artful science of search engine optimization, the dynamic world of social media, or the creative realm of content marketing, find what resonates with you. Thirdly, put theory into practice. Start a blog. Create a social media campaign. Apply what you've learned, and you'll find your skills growing with each step. Finally, seek guidance. Connect with experienced digital marketers. Learn from their successes and mistakes. Their insights can prove invaluable on your journey. Host voiceover. Along this journey, you'll find numerous tools and resources at your disposal. Google Analytics, SEMrush, Hootsuite. These are just a few names that can help you analyze data, track campaigns, and manage social media. And remember, never stop learning. Keep abreast of the latest trends and strategies by following industry blogs and websites like Moz, Neil Patel, and HubSpot. Host voiceover. Finally, remember that digital marketing isn't just about selling a product or service. It's about building a digital presence, about creating a brand that resonates with your audience. So, as you venture into the world of digital marketing, remember to infuse your unique voice into every campaign, every blog post, every social media update. Host voiceover. In conclusion, digital marketing is an essential skill in today's online world. It's about connecting with your audience, about standing out in a crowded market, and about adapting swiftly in a rapidly changing environment. With the right knowledge, tools, and guidance, you too can navigate the vast ocean of digital marketing and make your mark in the online world. Host on screen. And that's a wrap for today's episode. Stay tuned for more insights into the world of digital marketing. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep growing.